Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can compress your documents and files and reduce their file size on Bluebeam Revu applications. So let us guide you through this. So head over to Bluebeam Revu, load or open the given PDF document and then navigate to Batch here at the top. From there, click into Reduce File Size. Select the given document. So if that's the one you're currently on, then select it here. You will see the file size to the right, which is 18 KB at the moment. Select it, click into Save. But before you do that, guys, you may use that slider here to adjust the output quality and output compression, and you will see the file size, the current one, and the estimated one with the reduction in size. If you use that slider, for example, you can reduce the quality, of course, image quality, and so on and so forth, and then increase the compression and click into Save. And that is going to overwrite the existing file, of course. Click into Yes if you'd like to do this, or No if you'd like to create a copy. And that's it. You will see the size reduction here, which is approximately 12%. In this case here, I assume because there's not much content on the page anyway, so it depends also a little bit on how much content the given page or document contains, like images, texts, media, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.